Stop! Before I continue, this video is part of a new awesome series on their channel, which is the DIY Desk Makeover series, where I transform my desk to help inspire you guys. It's a 3-part series where the first episode, this one right here, is desk organization. The second one is desk room decor to help pizzazz your desk. And the third and final one is where I show you my transform old desk into a new awesome Tumblr one. So be excited, stay tuned, and subscribe for more. Hello people of the internet, welcome to the first episode of the DIY Desk Makeover series, where I show you awesome DIY desk organization to help tidy up the little things on your desk. So let's get started. The first DIY we'll be working on is a glass board, and what you need for this is a frame with nice dirty glass, hello people, and some spray paint. This is optional and I'll show you why, and awesome command strips. I swear I really wish this was sponsored because they're amazing. Now this is a pretty optional kind of DIY. If you want, you could do it with the frame, but I got rid of it because of the crisscross lines, and then it just kept the glass, and the glass was really sturdy and awesome, and I got it from Michael's if you just want to know. And then I sticked it onto my wall using the command strips, and I swear they stick on so well. It's so amazing. And then you could paint it if you choose to cover up the little command strip, and you could do this in any color you want. I did white, so just in case I want to do another color later, I could do so. And to write on it, I used a Sharpie that's water-based in the color white. And even though this isn't exactly a board erase marker, it's still awesome and it's easily removable with a wet cloth. And what I did with my board was I made it into a half calendar, half to-do list, half doodle board. And I split the top, made a line at the top for the month and the year. And I just put a border around that to make it look nice and neat. And at the side of that, I made a to-do title for a to-do list because I know I'm going to be super busy. Hashtag why I never post videos. And then I split it up at the bottom to make it look a bit more organized instead of just writing and doodles all over the place. And then I wrote July 2018 and then the numbers of the month. 31 days, right? Yeah. And you could do quotes or whatever you choose. I did a Coco Chanel quote: "A girl should be two things, classy and fabulous." So cute. And you could doodle and do whatever you want. I did XO's logo. It's a K-pop group. I'm a huge fan. Hashtag K-pop forever. And again, you can do whatever you want. And I like having a glass board better than your normal like white or black chalkboard. It's different, it's modern, classy, new. And I feel like this is going to be really trendy and just a thing that's going to be everywhere soon. The second DIY we'll be working on is a magazine filer. What you need for this is a cereal box or any box that's in that size. And I love that cereal, I swear it's my favorite. Anyways, and some cardstock paper, any other paper that's colored or patterned, a ruler, pencil, Mod Podge, and a pair of scissors. So what you're going to do first is you're going to mark up your box all around, seeing how large you want it and what size. Then you're going to cut it all up. Once you're done with that, you're going to take your cardstock. As you can see, it's not exactly cardstock. It's a folder from Target. It was really pretty, so I took that instead. And you could totally do that. You don't have to follow the rules and take cardstock that's specially patterned. Anyways, you're going to take that and you're going to mark it alongside the box so you can see what pieces you need. And make sure to cut about 1 centimeter over the original marking line so that you can fold it over and create a nice and neat look. And as you can see, I took another color for the sides of it. And now with your cut up pieces, you're going to fold over like so. For the side pieces and even the kind of triangle looking ones, only fold over the top and the bottom. And you don't need to fold over all edges. Then with some Mod Podge, you're going to apply it onto the box. And the cardstock piece. Not exactly cardstock, it's a folder.
Wait, what? How? Ugh!
That's me figuring out that it needs to be the mirror image of it. I went through a lot of trial and error for this because I couldn't find the right size. And then once you're done, you're going to stick it on, fold over the edges so that it looks nice and neat. And you're really going to want to press down because Mod Podge and cardstock are not friends. You really need to put pressure on them to get stuck for some weird reason. And then you're going to apply all the other pieces. Now this part's optional. You could cut up some cardstock and apply it onto the bottom of the magazine filer. It's not necessary because, I mean, it's sitting on top of the desk. No one really turns it over and looks at it. But if you're a perfectionist, you can, like me. Anyways, and as you can see, I had to apply a lot of pressure using books because it wasn't sticking. And while doing that, I also took glue off my hand. So yeah, productive. The third DIY is drawer organizers, and what you need for this is some tin drawer organizers. And I swear it took forever to find these. I went from store to store, little 10 stores. I couldn't find it, and then Target had it, so thank God Target, I love you. And you'll also need some small little glass bowls and spray paint. So basically you're going to spray paint this in any color. I did rose gold because my whole desk theme was kind of like rose gold, gold. And then with the small white bowl, I made a little bit kind of like I sprayed inside to make an ombre. And once that was all dry, put them inside my desk, filled it up with pens, pencils, or whatever that's needed for your desk. And I swear these are a lot better than normal desk organizers because they keep everything instead of like, I actually don't know what I'm saying, but yeah, I'm pretty sure you understand that this is amazing. So that's it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for next week's second episode, and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already, because thumbsy uppies are awesome. And follow me on all my social media and send me all your recreations using the hashtag mscraftnerd because I love seeing those. And that's it, guys. Love you guys so much. Toodles.